Hey everybody, a few days ago, avmom sent me a really cool video of a nice couple getting a little bit confused over the Thunderbirds, or was it the blue somethings, whatevers, and we just thought it was hilarious that there should be a mashup between the Thunderbirds and the Blue Angels called the Thunder Angels. So I went out to Gemini AI and I made a t-shirt idea with the mashup between the Thunderbirds and the Blue Angels, and it was glorious. You can see they did a perfect job of mashing up the two planes. But then my brain started wandering and I realized the Thunder Angels is actually an 80s metal hair band. So I made this poster for them, but when I told my wife, she thought they really needed a theme song called Love on the Runway. So, without any further ado, I present to you from the Thunder Angels, Love on the Runway.
Jets ignite, engines roar.